Wichita to Bowman Airport was 79 with thunder.
Oh, look at the motion on that.
Tornado watch effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for portions of South Central Kansas. Some counties in the watch are Butler, Elm,
Oh, look at it, it's tearing things up.
Reno,
It's tearing things up. Go, 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 go.
Remember that a tornado watch means that severe thunder.
Cars are moving like a half a mile an hour, and I started staring at the passengers and waving goodbye. Can you tell me what was ever really special about me all this time? But I believe the world is burning to the ground. Oh well, I guess we're gonna find out. Let's see how far we've come. Let's see.
New large tornado on the ground, passing about a half mile to a mile to our southeast. Yeah, here we go. Oh man. Oh, look at this. Woo! What do you?
Once again, 5 miles southwest of Manhattan, we had report of tornado activity occurring.
I felt the heat of that one. That one hit the car, folks. Boy, there it is, right over the hill.
Baby, it's all gone. There's no one in the corner and there's no one at home. Well, it was cool. It was just all cool.
The big old stovepipe in there now.
Over for you. It's gone, baby. It's all gone. There's no one in the corner and there's no one at home. Well, it was cool.
Look at that thing.
It was just all cool. Now it's over for me and it's over for you.
Dumping its load now, it's roughing out. There we go. Okay, folks, in the Eye Wall of France, 6:46 p.m. Very strong winds, sustained at least 100 miles per hour. We are in a parking lot, and as you can see, it's more like a lake. These raindrops are stinging, man.
That's at least 60 or 70 miles per hour.
On my way back. Right now, the rain is stinging my face. It's blowing so hard. More power flashes. Very significant power flashes right now. We're okay right now, Greg. Large wind tornado near Scottsville, Kansas. That's pretty. Look at that.
Look at that! My God! Man. Am I dreaming? Did we wake up this morning?
Baseball sucks hail. It is all hail.
You'll be better off going that way. Forget about work. Work's canceled.
Morris County is at G17 on your KFDI storm alert map. G17.
Possibly 87th Street South. That's just a guess, but it's just north of me on 81 Highway and 130. It's just the 81 Highway, or even possibly